All right, so let's continue on. I selected this title here, Understanding the Key Steps of the U.S. Electoral Process. And you know what? I don't think I really want that orange on there. I want to keep the words. The words are fine. It's the format, the appearance. So you know what? Let me get rid of this appearance here, and let me get rid of all this formatting. I'm going to go up to and make sure you select this. After you select it, okay, I'll select it again just to show that we need to do that step. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go up to the font group and I'm going to go to the clear formatting button here. And I'm going to click it and notice how all of the formatting removed itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply our formatting again while it's still selected. I'm going to go up to the font group. I'm going to go over to the increase font size and let me hit this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times so that it's 24 points. Let's see, 22, 20, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Wow, that's huge. All right, that's fine. We'll leave it at, oh, this is 36. We'll leave it at, you know what? Let's change it to 30. So let's come up here. I'm going to click up here and I'm just going to type 30 and press the enter key. And then that's good just like that. All right. But this was helping us get a look and feel of what it's going to look like. Okay. All right. So that's good. Let's go ahead and apply some effects here. I'm going to come over to this font effects button. And you see we have some effects here, which are pretty cool. We also have some down here. So we could change the outline of this text if we want to. All right, to whatever outline that we want. So you can see that the text, the outline of the text is changing color, not the fill color, but the outline. So that's the outside of the text. Also, if we go to shadow, for example, you can see in the background that the shadow is on the text now. Okay. Shadow gives things a 3-dimensional look, so it makes things 3D. All right, we can also change the reflection here if we want to. Okay. We could change the glow. It's so-called glowing. And this other stuff is not really important. I'm not even sure if it's in 2016. This version of Microsoft Word is 2000. It's either 2024 or 2019. But number styles, we're not dealing with any numbers right now. Ligatures, we don't need to really deal with that. And stylistic sets, we don't need to deal with any different stylistic sets right now. These are the main things that we need to worry about. And still, I rarely even use this for the text, because when you use this stuff too much, it kind of makes things unreadable. Unless you're doing like a flyer, you know, for a baby shower or a party or something. But other than that, if you're making a regular document like a contract or a resume, you don't typically deal with this stuff over here. So let's go ahead and just select an outline here. I'm going to choose this one this time, gradient fill. Okay, turquoise, accent color 4. Outline turquoise, accent color 4. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and cool. I'm going to deselect, click on the white to deselect. And that's pretty much it. If I go ahead now to the font group, let's come down. I think we went through all of those buttons. The only button left is this dialog box launcher, and all that does is give us some additional options. So let me go ahead and click on that so you can see it. We're in the font group dialog box now, and we can do pretty much the same exact thing. If we were to select a font, we can change the color, we can change the underline style, we can change the size. Pretty much the same thing. as just using this. Rarely do I ever go into the font. Rarely, if ever, do I go into the font dialog box launcher. It's not really utilized too much. I'm going to go ahead and press cancel. And that's the font group there. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. Remember that anything that you want to change, you have to select first. If you don't select it, then it can't change. But very useful stuff here. Definitely, if you missed anything, you want to go back through the video and watch it again, part 1 and part 2. And I will see you on the next video.